Today on The Explainer, we're diving into AI's role in scientific discovery and its surprising limits.
We know AI can write stories and code apps, so are human scientists about to be out of a job?
To answer that, you gotta understand what science really is. It's kind of a tale of two different skills. Yeah, it's not a simple replacement. The reality is way more interesting. Let's start with what AI does best. Okay, first up, AI is basically a logic engine. Its superpower is crunching just massive amounts of data. I'm talking trillions of data points. It can find patterns a human brain could never ever hope to spot. So you get it, pattern recognition, data analysis, speed. It makes AI an absolutely incredible tool. But here's the thing, science isn't just about logic. It needs that special human creative leap.
See, AI is fantastic at playing by the rules. But humans? We can imagine totally new games to play.
And it's these big shifts in thinking that AI just can't make on its own. Well, not yet anyway.
This isn't just a small problem. Relying only on AI's logic without human guidance, that can be dangerous.
Okay, so check this out. Imagine you ask an AI to find new molecules with certain useful properties. Being an AI, it would do this super efficiently, inventing millions of them in just a few hours.
But here's the catch. Without a moral compass, it could create deadly poisons just as easily as cures.
So what's the takeaway here? Well, it's not a competition. The future is all about partnership. So a human asks, what if? The AI crunches the data, then the human figures out what it all means.
This makes the human scientist more crucial than ever. They're the ones steering the ship. So, what happens when you combine human intuition and AI logic? You get a whole new frontier for science,